everybody a late birthday / Christmas present. So, yeah.
Merry Christmas to me.
Yep.
Okay, everybody. So we bought this on the last GameStop restock, and it took a lot of clicking and refreshing. But if you keep trying, you might get one too. Zephyr, go ahead.
Like says I got pretty lucky with the clicking.
Make sure to open the other. Nope.
Zephyr is a Boy Scout, and so is Makani. So every camping trip, they get a new knife, and Zephyr wants to use his latest. Or that's not your latest. The previous.
Rambo. The technically Rambo knife is. Oh, that cut quick.
Yes.
It does the job.
You know, you don't need to put that one thing on. You can just put it in the sheath and it'll be fine.
Yeah, I know, but I like to keep my knives not out.
He's putting on the safety tip.
Do it for me.
Alright.
Alright. Alright. These are the cords. I'll put these right here.
This is.
Well, we're gonna open everything. Extra HDMI.
Alright. I'll do that. I think I can put it right here. Easier.
Careful, careful.
Alright. Let's open this up. It is not as easy as it is.
Maybe try on its side.
Yeah. Slide it out like that.
Alright. This. This is the console. The PS5.
Yep.
Yay.
Yeah, so a few features about this. So the white panels on each side are able to be taken off for cleaning or, customization. Or you can leave them on to only customize the outside. So you're able to have your own style with it.
Yep.
Zephyr, is that all you got in the box?
No, there's a few other things. But you can take these out. I'm gonna brush them off. Alright, I'm gonna go open this up.
What's the game, Mac?
Okay, so the game that I am currently opening is Spider-Man Miles Morales. This is a very exciting game to come out. I actually played this and am 99% done at my aunt and uncle's house because they have the game and PS5. And a little under 10 hours of just missionary play, and you are able to do this done pretty quickly and unlock all the spider suits.
All right, what other games did it come with?
Okay, so the 2 other games is Sackboy: The Big Adventure, another exciting game, part of a good franchise that has been out for a very long time, and Ratchet Clank: Rift Apart. So I pretty much understand what they mean by Rift because, you know, many games include portals like this, where you're in a different dimension or it teleports you into just different locations in the same universe or a different one. Okay. So this is only one player, so I'm assuming that you'll be switching off from the male and female versions, or whoever the other person is, aside from Ratchet.
I'm definitely going to be playing that
And you
game.
see this little butt here is Clank. If you haven't seen either the show or the movie, forgot which one has both of them in it.
I used to have the PSP version of that. That one was very fun when I was a little one.
Yeah, we were about, I
Fi-
think that
5 and 3.
Yeah,
I actually love playing that game a lot.
I remember Zephyr also had the original Spider-Man PSP game.
Probably gonna have to charge it, and that's why I bought you the docking station the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put this right
So
here.
this is 1 to 4 players, 2 to 4 network players. It is a 32 gigabyte minimum, and it has
Is this Sackboy?
yeah.
Oh,
You can put the white one on there. They both need to charge since they just got here. That seems about right. So alright. We good to go?
yep.
Yeah, alright.
English States.
We can't see this.
Alright. Got the Wi-Fi in. I'll put the data break though, because I may have put 736, not 735. Insert a game disc.
What?
Or continue without a disc.
Alright, optimize experiment.
For rest mode.
I need to talk to him.
Always close last update, make sure it's safe to during update. Turns on remotely when you connect using PlayStation app to remote play. Charges controllers after entering rest mode. Consumes more power. Low power use. Consumes less power with some features disabled. Doesn't apply updates, though download and install when the console's on. Doesn't charge controllers. Okay, then we need optimize.
You could have customized.
That's true.
You can change it later.
Update.
So exciting.
How long, Zephyr? Almost a year? Over a year? No, about a year, huh?
Yeah, about a year. I hope that when we put my account on here, that it like has all the games that I bought on the PlayStation 4.
That's not what happened for the Xbox.
So it could be different though. I heard, because I purchased a lot of things on PS4, so they might transfer different. If not, I can always hop out to the PlayStation 4 when I have.
Well, according to the GameStop guy, I know the game that you were concerned about, the Call of Duty, that he said there was a upgrade in the PlayStation Store, and that's why you have that PlayStation gift card over there.
Alright, 32 seconds.
Zephyr is 16. He
Yep.
goes to, or he'll be starting in 11th grade in less than a week. How do you feel about school, Zephyr?
I don't know. It's gonna be hard for me.
Zephyr has autism, for those of you that don't know. We don't let it limit him, though. All right.
I'm just gonna. Stop keeping them around too quick. Alright. This part is not me. Let's see. We have changed my password for security reasons. Okay, so I'm not gonna let anybody see this one.
Okay,
I don't know this
bye.
part.